Hello, my name is Jessica, and this is the Dream series. People dream these in their brains, I think. That's what dreams are. Something that happens inside your head, but doesn't really happen. I think I've described it right, but I'm not absolutely sure.
Oh, she's not explaining it right. My name is Steve, and there's something in our attic. And we're deciding who's going to check it out.
I'm not going to check it out. All that banging noise. You go up and check it out. Hello, my name is Natalie, and we all decided who's going to check it out. I don't want to go and check it out. You go and check it out.
Alright, fine, I'll go and check it out. What are you doing up here? I thought you were going to check it out. How do you get up here before me? Let's lift this up. The sound is coming from underneath here.